Make sure you watch this particular video before you cook your next catfish pepper soup, because in this video I shared a simple and easy recipe how to achieve a perfect and a delicious catfish pepper soup. So to begin with, let's watch the catfish first. I added salt and I added hot water to it. I'll allow the fish to stay in that hot water for about a minute, then I'll sieve out that hot water and add normal water. You know, the work of that particular hot water that I added, the work of it is to make sure that these slimy things that you're seeing on the screen here will be easy for me to scrape out with my knife or my spoon, anything. But the hot water will make it to be easy for me to scrape it out. Then let's proceed to washing the catfish. Make sure you wash your catfish very well, because this is where the work actually is, washing of the catfish, because it normally takes time to wash. I actually washed this particular catfish multiple times. I cannot actually count how many times that I washed it. So if today is your first time of coming across my video on my channel, please hit on the subscribe button, leave a comment below and like this particular video. I also added extra hot water to it and I added another salt. Then I washed it for like 2 times again and it was perfectly clean and ready for me to cook. So to my returning viewers, thank you guys so much. I actually appreciate you guys' love and support. So this is me transferring the catfish to the pot that I will use to cook it, because it is already clean. Look at it now. The catfish is sparkling clean right now. Then let's go over to the ingredients that I'll be using. I'll be using scent leaf, salt, onions, pepper, and some seasoning cubes. You will see what actually elevated the taste of this my catfish pepper soup. I actually blended onions and scent leaf together. When next you are making your catfish pepper soup or any pepper soup at all, try blending your pepper, onions, and scent leaf together, and you will see it will elevate the taste of that your pepper soup. Like the scent of that particular scent leaf that you'll be using to cook it will come out very well. So I added onions, my spices. I also added curry, and this is my seasoning cube. Make sure you spice it very well. Then I added salt. This is the blended scent leaf, pepper, and onions. I'll add it, raising my blender and add the water as well, because I don't want any of the spices to waste. I'll go ahead and shake it very well because I don't want the fish to scatter. I will cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes and our catfish pepper soup is ready. Let me tell you, the time that this catfish will use to cook depends on the amount of heat, if it is low heat or high heat. So what will you be serving your catfish pepper soup with? I actually served it with this agidi, as you can see on the screen, and I enjoyed it so well. You can also serve it with plantain or yam. Please subscribe if you're yet to. Thanks for watching. Bye.